students, this is your maths class. Welcome back, and I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Harpreet Kaur Kundi. I hope you all have done very good. And last chapter we have done, that was chapter 4, and that was division. I hope you all understood. Now let us continue our next chapter, that is chapter 11, geometrical shapes. As I have written on the board, chapter 11, geometrical shape. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of geometrical shapes and what are the shapes. If we will not understand the basics of this chapter, we will not able to do geometry for the next classes, and this is a basic of geometry. So let's start our first topic, that is closed figures. So closed figures. In closed figures, what is the meaning of closed figure? Let us discuss first closed figures. So, what we were doing? Closed figures. Any figure formed with line segment joined end to end without any opening is called closed figure. So, what is the meaning of this definition? Let's understand with the help of one example. Any figure, line segment is a part of line. Suppose this is a part of line, and suppose line segments are joined end to end without any opening. This line segment is joined with this line, and this end is joined with this end is joined with this end. So there is no such opening where you can say, so this is a closed figure from all the sides. Now let's take another example. So here you can see this line segment is joined with this line, and this line segment is joined with this line segment. Here its starting point is here joined with the other line segment, but ending point is not joining with any other line segment. So this is also not joining. So these two are not joining with each other. So this figure is open. So this is not called closed figure. This will be called as open figure. Next comes to the topic that is called quadrilaterals. Quadrilaterals. What is the meaning of quadrilaterals? Four-sided figure. Any four-sided closed figure is known as quadrilateral. Any four-sided closed figure is called quadrilateral. There is two conditions: four-sided and closed. Figure should be of four-sided and it should also be closed. Let's take one example. Say we have this figure 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are four sides of a figure, but it is not closed. You can see here it is not joining with this end. It is an open figure. So this is not called as quadrilateral. Another figure, this is four-sided figure. So this is closed and also a four-sided figure is known as quadrilateral. Let's take one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five-sided figure. It is closed, but it is not four-sided. So it is not called quadrilateral. So a quadrilateral is four-sided figure and it should be closed also. There should be condition. Both the conditions should be followed. Now we have understood meaning of closed figures and meaning of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is four-sided closed figure. Now let's come to the types of closed figure and the quadrilateral. So first of all we will discuss about closed figure. Triangle. Triangle is a three-sided figure and it is closed with three line segments. A triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. Three line segments. So, triangle. What is the shape of triangle? Three line segments. It is a closed figure. So, we have three sides of a triangle. Now, what are the properties of triangle? Let's discuss one by one. First of all, we should name this triangle. How can we name a triangle? A, B, C. So the name of this triangle is triangle ABC. This symbol is symbol of triangle. So first property is triangle has three corners. Three corners. 1, 2, 3. These three corners known as vertices. Three corners known as vertices. Got it? Now, second property. What is the second property? Triangle has three line segments. 1, 2, 3. Three line segments. So, what are the names of these line segments? AB, BC, CA. These are the three line segments of triangle. Next property is triangle has three angles. Three angles. 1, 2, and 3. So these are the properties of triangle. What is triangle? Triangle is a closed figure formed by three line segments. And what is the symbol for this triangle? A small triangular shape is the symbol for triangle ABC. We will write. What are the three properties? First property is three corners. It has three corners. It has three line segments. It has three angles. So these are the names we have discussed. This was all about our first type, that is triangle. It comes under closed figures. Next comes quadrilaterals. We have discussed what is quadrilateral. It is a four-sided closed figure. Now let's discuss types of quadrilaterals. Types of quadrilaterals. First of all, before doing the types, let me discuss with the meaning of the quadrilateral. We have already as discussed quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. We have discussed the meaning that it has four-sided closed. It is four-sided and closed figure. First is quad. Quad means four. Lateral. Lateral means sides. Understood? It formed from the two words quad plus lateral. Quad means four and lateral means sides. Four-sided figure is known as quadrilateral, but it should be closed also. Okay, let's come to the lateral. You understood the meaning? It meant formed from two words, quadrilateral, that is quad and lateral, four-side closed figure. So Let's take one example. Any quadrilateral. Let's name it A, B, C and D. So the name of this quadrilateral is quadrilateral ABCD. We will write quadrilateral A, B, C and D. So we cannot write it like this. This is wrong. There is no symbol for quadrilateral. So we have to write the full word, that is quadrilateral. So let's start the properties of quadrilateral. The first property is quadrilateral has 4 corners that are called, corner means vertices, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vertices that are, we can write it as A, B, C and D. So next property is a quadrilateral has 4 sides. 4 sides. Which are the 4 sides here? AB, BC, CD and DA. Next property is quadrilateral has 4 angles. 4 sides, so there will be 4 angles. Angle A, B, C and D. These are the 4 angles. Next, last property is quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals. Diagonal means a line segment joining the opposite angles. Line segment which divides a quadrilateral into 2 parts. So first is AC and second is BD. So AC and BD are the 2 diagonals. This was all about your quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a 4-sided closed figure. It has 4 vertices, that is A, B, C and D. Vertices means all the corners. It has 4 sides. 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. It has 4 angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. It has 2 diagonals. 2 diagonals, which are 2 diagonals? AC and BD. So this is all about quadrilateral. Let's come to the next part. Next is square. Square. Square is a special type of quadrilateral. It is a special type of quadrilateral. Why it is a special type of quadrilateral? Because square is also a 4-sided figure and it is also closed. So it is a special type of quadrilateral. So let's discuss the properties of square. First of all, I'll make the figure to make you clear. So this is the shape of square. Square, we'll write the names A, B, C and D. So this is called square ABCD. The name of this square ABCD. So properties. First property. So it is a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, it has 4 vertices and it has 4 angles and it has 2 diagonals. So all the properties of quadrilaterals are matches with the square. But there are some special properties here. First property is all 4 sides are equal. Which are all 4 sides? First is AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to DA. So all the sides are equal. This is the first property of square. So we will put a mark for the equal sign. If we'll write like this, it means these two sides are equal. These three sides are equal. And these four sides are equal. This mark is for the equal sides, to show the equal sides. Next property. All four angles are equal. Angles are equal. Which are four angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. So angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D. All are equal, and these all four angles will be equals to 90 degree. Third property is both diagonals are equal. There are two diagonals, so both are equal. Which are two angles? AC and BD. These are two diagonals. AC equals to BD. So these two diagonals are equal. These are the special properties of square other than the quadrilateral. And one more thing in quadrilateral and all the quadrilaterals, actually the sum of all the angles is equals to 360. There are four angles, so sum of four angles, actually interior angles, we are talking about only interior angles, is equals to 360. This is for all the quadrilaterals. Now in square all angles are equal, so you can check what will be the measure of one angle. 360 divided by 4. If we will check 360 divided by 4, 4 nines are 36, is comes equals to 90. So here equals to 90. We can cross check it. So this was all about our next figure, that was square. What is square? Special type of a quadrilateral, and it has four sides, four angles, four vertices and two diagonals, as we have done in quadrilateral. But here what is more, all four sides are equal, all four angles are equal, and both the diagonals are equal. And one more thing we have done, sum of four angles of the quadrilateral is equals to 360. Next is rectangle. Rectangle is also a special type of quadrilateral. It is also a special type of quadrilateral. So let's discuss the properties of the rectangle. So this is the shape of rectangle. My duster is also in the shape of rectangle. The front side, we'll see the flat side, it is also a shape of rectangle. This square is also in the shape of rectangle. So let's start the properties. Let me first write down the names of this rectangle: A, B, C and D. So first property is the pair of opposite sides are equal. Pair of opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides, these two are opposite to each other, so it means these are equal. This side is equals to this. It means AB equals to CD. One pair. and this pair is equals to, this side is equals to this side. So if we will put like this, so it looks like same as square. It shows that all the four sides are equal. But what is our property? Pair of opposite sides are equal. So here we have done these two sides are opposite and these two sides are equal. Here we have to make it different somewhere. So we'll make two lines here. So it means these two lines where we have put the double lines, double mark, these two sides are equal, which are AD equals to BC. So next property is the four angles are equal. Here also four angles equal. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C equals to angle D, that is equals to 90 degree. Next, both the diagonals are equal. Diagonals are also equal, that are AC and BD. AC equals to BD. So these are the properties of rectangle. What are the properties? Let's discuss. It is a special type of quadrilateral and it has four sides, two diagonals and four angles. First property is pair of opposite sides are equal. Two pairs, AB is equals to CD and AD is equals to BC. There are four angles and all the four angles are equal. Those are equals to 90 degree. Diagonals are also equal. AC equals to BD. So this was all about the basics of your first exercise, that is about closed figure and quadrilaterals. Revise this and we will continue further in our next lecture. Thank you so much.